how an e-commerce sales funnel works. What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. And today I'm going to talk to you about how you can increase your average order value with a sales funnels for e-commerce. So this is ideal for you if you are getting started into e-commerce, or maybe you have an e-commerce store, you are doing good with a product and you want to get more sales, okay, with that product. Because take in mind that at the beginning it's hard to get traffic, it's hard to gain trust with the audience, and when that person buys from you, you want to get the most out of one single customer. What do I mean by this? Well, let's say that you have a t-shirt, you're selling a t-shirt and it's your top t-shirt, it's the best sell product that you have on your store. So how can you make that a user buys that product and buys more of different type of product, maybe a different color or a different style or something complementary that goes hand in hand with that product? So therefore, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that, and hopefully in that way you understand how you can increase your average order value. Because also at the end of the day, if you are doing paid advertisement, you're doing Facebook, YouTube, Instagram ads, you need to take into consideration the cost. How much are you paying to get that customer? How much is that product cost? And at the end of the day, your margins, your profit margins reduce, and you need to look for different ways in order for you to get more sales. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can start doing this. And if you want to learn more about this topic, maybe you want to get into Facebook advertising, you want to learn how to create sales funnels, then go ahead and check jordanvelasquez.com/trainings. So I put my best videos there so you can have a place so you can go for and start consuming the content and start understanding how everything works in this online business world. So without further ado, guys, let's start with the training. So this is how the process works. So let's say that you have a product that is selling really well. Okay, let's say that for instance you're selling this unicorn. Okay, so this is the sales page of that product. As you can see, a nice video of the product, a picture, a clear call to action, get your 25% off now. Okay, some testimonials, you can use images, you can use video. Again, the call to action. Why do you need the product? Okay, create the perfect scenario, take it anywhere, easy to inflate. So just mention the 3 most important features of that product. Okay, another call to action, more testimonials, another call to action, frequently asked question. This is super useful because it's important that you answer the question that the user might have before they purchase the product, right? So I highly recommend you to have frequently asked questions, because this will help you break those barriers that the user might have before they purchase your product. So this is gonna incentivize and motivate the user to buy the product right away. And the last call to action, right? Get your 20% off. So the person, the user, is gonna click the button and he's gonna go or she's gonna go to the checkout page. Okay, a simple checkout page. The information here, they're gonna put the credit card number. Okay, and as you can see, we start here. You can put this option, 1 year warranty, all included, just almost $5, right? So this is a nice way so you can start increasing your average order value on the checkout page. Now, when he fill out the form, put the credit card and everything, he's gonna click yes, send me the unicorn. So pay close attention to the following step. So when the user clicks the button, he's gonna go to another page, okay? That is this one. We're gonna offer the user another product. So in this way, we're gonna start increasing the average order value. So we're gonna upsell the user at this, okay? Wait, your order is not complete. Don't forget to take the baby unicorn, have your favorite drink next to you in the pool, okay? Before almost $20. Now you just get it at $12.95. Okay, so as you can see, this is a nice complement with the main product. So just mention a little bit about the features. Okay, it's portable, high quality float, easy to carry, practical and fun. Okay, and more clients testimonials. Okay, so you wanna put the call to actions, add to order, or they can have the option of no thanks, don't claim the bundle. So take in mind that the user, they might get the product or they might not. So if they get the product, awesome. But if the user don't want this offer, he can go and click this here, no thanks. Okay, but what's gonna happen? We want to increase our average order value, so we're gonna offer that person another product. Okay, so they're gonna go to this page. Hold up, you have been selected as a tester. You can put another description here, but take in consideration this. Take this product right now at our lowest price. So take in mind that the person, a human being, reacts on emotions, on impulse. So when we have something like this, we don't want to miss out the opportunity of having this product on the lowest price. So we want to take advantage of this offer. So this is a nice way to start increasing the average value, the average order value. And you can complement this with something like this. Here you have the instructions. Here you will write the pain they are facing today with your product, and here you will write about how your product will solve these problems. Okay, and you want to mention some features and see, yeah, you can change all that, but it's a nice example that you can take a look at. And they also gonna have the option, yes, add the product to my order, or not, thank you, I don't want my awesome mermaid shell float. So if they click add to cart, they're gonna go to the thank you page. If they don't click, they're gonna go to the thank you page. So if you can see, instead of the user just buying this, we upsell and downsell that customer more products. Okay, so this is pure profit. So let's say that, for instance, you're running ads, and let's say that you're selling this unicorn at $30 with the discounts already applied. So let's say that you buy this product for $5. So your total cost is $5 for advertising cost and $5 for getting the product. So your pure profit is $20. Now, if the user, they're gonna purchase this, and if they get this other product, is pure profit because you already paid for the advertising cost in the first product. But here is pure profit. You just get extra almost $13, right? So if the user don't get this product, no problem. We wanna try with another offer that is this one. As you can see, this is a little bit more pricier, and in this case, if they get this product, then you wanna get some extra $50. If they don't get it, no problem. Thank you. And here is where the sales funnels end. But as you can see, you try with two different offers to get more income. And this is what you should be applying so you can start being more profitable with your campaigns, with your products. So also take in mind that you need to apply a little bit of copywriting, incentivize the user to get the product right away with scarcity. As you can see here in the checkout, you can apply your 25% off discount is reserved for, I don't know, 1 hour, 25 minutes. So this way the user is gonna feel like he needs to get the product right away, or he's gonna or she's gonna miss the opportunity to get that offer. Also, in this other offer, you can see that we outline that this product is on discounts too. Before it costs $19.95. If they get it now, they're gonna get it at $12.95. Okay, and the same here. Okay, you have been selected as a tester. This gives the idea to the user that he is a special client and that he can get this product at the lowest price. Okay, just small things, as copyrighted things that can help you increase your average order value. So basically that's it, guys. That's how you can apply this on your e-commerce sales process, and so you can start getting more revenue after you pay for ads and start being more profitable. So basically that's it, guys. That's how an e-commerce sales funnel works. That is how you can start applying upsells, downsells, so you can increase your average order value. And the program that I use to create these sales funnels is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is really good when it comes to creating this kind of offers, especially you have different products with different upsells or downsells. There's gonna be a link below if you wanna check it out. They have a 14-day free trial. And if you want to use the template that I just showed you, just send me an email at support@jordanvelasquez.com with the email that you used to sign up, and I will send you the template. And if you want to learn how to get started with Facebook advertising, or maybe you want to learn more about sales funnels, I invite you to go to jordanvelasquez.com/trainings. Or if you want us to help you with this, you don't want to deal with all these kind of things, right? You want to focus on your own thing and you want us to do this for you, then go ahead, go to jordanvelasquez.com/call and let's see how we can help you out. So basically that's it, guys. Hope you find it valuable. See you in the next one.